Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro and I want to show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, when we are in the camera application, we can use our power and volume buttons. So take a look. At the first, I'm gonna tap on the volume up button once. And as you can see right now, we get 2 seconds shutter countdown. The same when you tap on this volume down button. So press on it once, and there it is. When you click and hold one of the volume button, you can record the short video to the 15 seconds. The same when you click and hold your shutter. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how you can change the function of this volume buttons and also of this feature when you hold your shutter. So to make it, you have to open the settings, so tap on these 3 horizontal lines. And then you have to scroll down. Right here we got the volume button function. So we can set the shutter countdown like it's set up on default. We can use normal shutter, zoom on volume. My favorite is this one, and I'm gonna show you how it works. And also we can change the press and hold shutter button to, for example, the burst shot. Okay, so right now when I'm gonna press the volume up, wait a minute, I'm gonna catch the focus right here. Okay, right now you can see, so here we have the volume button, so I'm gonna press the volume up and take a look how smoothly we can zoom. As you can see, we can zoom to the 10 times and zoom out by pressing volume down button. And we can switch to the ultra wide lens. When you hold your shutter like that, you can take burst shot. It's like 20 photos in very short time, and the same when you switch to the normal shutter on the volume buttons, you will be also able to use this burst shot feature. But right now we have a zoom option right here. So when you open the photos and when you tap on this icon, we can find all of this burst shot photos that we take. As you can see, it looks like very short video when we swipe like that. You can save all of these photos, but you can also keep maybe 3 of them. Click on this shutter at the right bottom corner on this marker, and you can tap to keep to select for photos. Okay. And right now I'm gonna show you how you can change color and the temperature. So we have to tap right here, and as you can see we got few presets. Take a look how the colors change. We can find here a few different modes. If you want to get this one, for example, just pick and tap on the shutter. And as you can see, the photo was taken. It looks really nice. So as you can see, you don't have to download any external application. You can make it straight in this XIAOMI camera application. Okay, right now we are going to tap right here to open this menu. And if you want to take photo on the tripod, you can add the camera shutter delay for 3, 5 or 10 seconds. And when you press on the shutter, the photo will be taken after this time. That's very simple. You can also change the aspect ratio of your camera. So this one is useful when you try to take photo of your phone. So when I go to my private smartphone and I want to get cool looking photo, take a look. For example, like this one, it looks definitely better than normal, for example 3:4 aspect ratio, as you can see. So it's useful for the Instagram post when you try to capture your own screen on the photo. So let's stay with the 3:4 and let's open the settings where we can find also interesting options. Like for example, we can mark our photos, so we can enable the watermark, and every time you take the photo you will get stamp on the photos. You can add timestamp, you can add the device watermark, you can also custom it, so you can add your own name. Let me just change the language. So I can type here hard reset, for example. And right now, let me just take a photo. So as you can see right now, in the left bottom corner, we can find the Poco M4 Pro mark, also our own mark, hard reset, and on the right bottom corner, we can find date and the time. You can get it on every photo that you take. Okay, let's go back. We can also use this option, it's called tap to take photo. So for example, if you hold your phone like that and you cannot reach this bottom shutter, and you set up the zoom feature on the volume buttons, you can tap on the screen and you can also take photos. Okay, and let's open the settings one more time. Let's turn off this take photo option. I don't need it right now. When we go for the customize, we can, for example, change the shutter sound. So if you want to get this one, just pick modern. As you can hear right now, the sound is different. In the more modes, we can find, for example, the 64 megapixel mode, and it gives us a little bit better details, but not that much. So take a look, I'm gonna show you the comparison. So let's take photo with the 64 and with the normal mode. Okay, so that's the latest photo and it was taken with the normal mode. We can focus, for example, on this keyboard on the phone. So it looks like that. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer to the camera to show you how it looks. And let's take a look on the 64 megapixel photo. So as you can see, we can zoom in a little bit closer and also we can find a little bit more details on this photo. It's not that big difference, like you have the phone with the 108 megapixel matrix, but with the 64 megapixel you can also spot few difference. Okay, and honestly, that's all from this phone. So that's all tricks and hidden features that you can find in your Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.